AMBQ was trending at some point. Today, the 27th of November, 2025. Today being a holiday in the US, obviously nothing's going on. So, in the regular session of yesterday, the 26th, it settled with a gain of 2.73%. Not a lot of shares across the tape. It's a high beta stock. Let's see now. The stock has been attempting to recover, so it's been showing a fractionally modest amount of strength within a short-term, severely bearish trend. Okay, so it hasn't been around that long. No projections. Okay, some projections. We have some projections here, but they're all bearish or to the downside: 22.45, 17.73, 14.81. But earlier on, so far late October, they had ambitious projections as high as 35.45, 37.83, 39.29. Okay, so let's see what we have on its 4 hour chart. Okay, so yeah, this is the same strength it has been showing. It's been picking up from, this began on Friday, actually began on Thursday the 20th. Okay, so projections here are saying, let's see, nothing. Okay, some are bullish, some are ambitious, some are to the upside. 27.26, 29.21, 30.41, and indeed downward projections of 13.03, 14.73, 17.40. Okay, yeah, even more ambitious ones: 35.97, 38.32, 39.76 as of the middle of October. Okay, so yeah, we'll see whether it's going to banish this downtrend it has been on. Okay, let's see now. We could also apply the market grid to give us an indication of possible prices it has the potential to print, even though we have already seen Fibonacci projections. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is for its 4 hour chart. Let's see what we have. Okay, 24.52. Does it have an intraday high here? Yeah, 20, intraday high of 29.37 printed sometime on the either the 12th of November or thereabouts. Let's say it's 12th of November. So okay, not anywhere close to that intraday high, but it's just fractionally above its closing price. So the top of the grid is top of the range is 24.52, and then the bottom is 23.71. It's a tight range, indicating that the stock has been contracting. Yeah, it's not been volatile. It's not been volatile. Yeah, let's see what we have on the daily chart. What do we have? Okay, it's the same as well. 24.7. Okay, I don't think we're really going to see anything more as things stand right now. But yes, the stock was trending at some point today. Let's find out more about what's going on.
Ambiq Micro, AMBQ, was trending earlier as investors zero in on its role in the Edge AI wave, especially its reputation for ultra low power microcontrollers and chips that can run neural network workloads on tiny energy budgets. Bulls keep pointing to Ambiq's long standing technical relationship with ARM, not as a formal partnership per se, but as a strategic ecosystem alignment that could matter if edge inference demand ramps the way many expect. The community is split. On one side, you've got folks hyped about Ambiq's post IPO runway, the idea that its sub-milliwatt silicon could become the default choice for wearables, hearables, sensors, medical patches, and all the AI at the edge devices that desperately need better battery life. Some are betting that Ambiq is a pure play exposure to the early innings of edge AI, especially as bigger players chase cloud and data center scale instead. On the other hand, skeptics are raising eyebrows at the valuation. After the IPO jump, there's chatter that the market is pricing Ambiq like a future category leader before it has the partnerships, revenue growth, or product visibility to justify that premium. Bears are also debating leadership. some praising the technical depth of the engineering team, others calling out perceived missteps in communication and go to market strategy. Speculation is running hot around potential news catalysts, rumored Tier 1 partnerships, upcoming roadmap disclosures, and whether Ambiq might position itself more aggressively in the wearables and medical device sectors where it already has quiet traction. Meanwhile, trader corners of the community are doing what trader corners do, dropping spicy commentary about execs, IPO insiders, and who's allegedly loading up versus paper handing. Bottom line, Ambiq has strong tech, real edge AI relevance, and a ton of investor imagination behind it. But the valuation debate and leadership skepticism are keeping this one volatile, loud, and very, very watch listed.